What are you doing, Bunny? Have you no fear? Have you seen my beloved? Why have you come back here?
The letter, like you said, I met my father at the door. He said he would give it. I don't think I can stand anymore.
And beneath what's wrong, I feel there's something wet upon your hair. And beneath your hurt, you need some help. Oh God, it's everywhere.
Don't you fret, it's your eyes. I don't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now. You're here, that's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close, and rain will make the flowers grow.
And you will live beneath, dear God above. Find close your wounds with words of love.
Just hold me now and let it be. Shelter me, comfort me. Don't you fret, my eyes, I don't feel any
pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt you now. I'm here.
That's all I need to know. And you will
Stay till you stay.
close,
And rain will make the flowers first of us to fall upon this barricade. Her name was Ebony. Her life was cold and dark, and she was unafraid. We fight here in her name. She will not die in vain. She will not be betrayed.